Hi, welcome to my studio. So today I want to show you how to make a really light, waterproof backing board. And this backing board can be used in your studio for your regular watercolor, but also if you are a plein air painter, this works like a charm. Okay, so first of all, get yourself a piece of foam core, and this is the stuff that you just use to back your paintings with. It's not waterproof by any means, but it is really super light. So any size that you wish you could do. And then what you want to do is take some shipping tape and take the tape, stretch it out here, let it hang off the edge a little bit so you can wrap it around. Okay, cut that. Okay, so it's hanging off the edge a little bit so that I can fold that right over that edge, because that edge, water, if it gets in there, it's done for. It's no longer any good. Okay, so I'm just sealing that, both the edges, like so. Then I'm going to start with my second piece, and I'm going to overlap the first piece by a little bit. Doesn't matter how much, as long as you overlap it, you're sealing it. And again, make sure you get the edges and smooth that out, get the bubbles out all the way around. You want it to look nice too, as well as be functional. And then what you're gonna do, there, can you see how it's shiny? See it where it is? Okay, so you want to continue all the way, okay, all the way up, overlapping each piece as you go until you get the whole board covered. And when you have that done, you're going to have all four of these edges sealed, okay? That's what makes it waterproof. You don't necessarily need both sides, but you need one side and all the edges covered. So take a look at this one. I've had this guy for a long time. You can see he's been beat around the gills a little bit. So it's actually two pieces. Okay, so I have sealed both the outsides and the edges, and then look what I did. I just taped these two pieces together. Okay, so in other words, if I have two pieces, I can run a piece of tape right down here, and then I'll be able to fold those up, make myself a little portfolio. So you can stick your paintings in here, put a clip up here, carry them along with you, okay? Then when you are ready, you can get them out, put them on here, paint away. So even something this size is really light as a feather. So there you have it. Make yourself one and get out there and paint. Thanks for watching.